Bananas Beats.
Whenever you're ready, the
Please,
cameras.
let me get myself situated. Thank you very much. Moti ready, let's go. Alright. Hi guys, it's Nigella Glam. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have for you Ivory Clasp unboxing. It's my favorite time of the month, guys. It's my favorite time of the month. My handbag is here and I'm really excited to share with you guys what I got this month. Not really sure what it is, but this is a handbag subscription service. You pay a monthly or every other monthly fee, or you can skip a month if you would like, but you'll get a high-end or like a quality luxury handbag. They are an amazing company and I absolutely love them because it's a pretty good situation, okay? If you get your handbag and you do not like it, you can return it for free and they'll send you a new one. Okay, so in the box is a thank you note from the people, the great people over at Ivory Clasp. And we'll just get right into it. Okay, then. It looks like this month's bag is a with 212 handbag, and this is my second with 212 handbag, and if my memory serves me correct, it is a handbag company based out of New York. Last time they gave me like a card describing the handbag. I don't know if it's in here, but oh, it's super cute, super cute. The little duffel handbag. This style is called Bleecker and it's described as a slouchy satchel, and it retails for $138, but I paid $45 for it. So let's go ahead and just dive right in. So here it is. Here's a little tag. Here's the front with the with 212 emblem. There is a zipper on the back. Let's take this paper out. It does come with a strap if you choose to wear it crossbody style. So when you open the bag, there are two pockets, one on this side, one on the other. And I would say this is a pretty spacious bag. So if you're like me and you like to take your whole life with you to work or to run errands, this is a perfect bag. Yeah, so that is this month's bag. I'm gonna give this month's bag an A-. This is definitely up my alley. I think I would have just preferred a different color for the fall, but black is always good. It matches with everything. And like I said, it's spacious. So I am looking forward to styling this. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time, my next video. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know if you have Ivory Clasp. What did you get this month? Make sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for showing me love on my videos. And I really do hope to see you next time. Bye. Once you take all the paper out, you find your pot of gold. No, that's not what happens. Okay, so do you have something you would like to say, sir? My accents are 0 for 2 right now. Okay.
More like -4 for 2.
I don't want to see a single ounce of this on the video, and let me find out. Do you hear me? Especially the pot of gold accent. That was a disaster. Oh, Jesus. Okay. That look innocent?
Yeah, but we all know that's a farce.